Good morning or afternoon, everybody. I'm starting off this vlog today. Oh man, if you guys can see it right now, it's so foggy. I just went over the Quebec Gatineau side. It's so foggy right now. It's so weird. Anyways, I'm right now on my way to Angele. You guys can remember her with her RAV4. She showed me a little bit. Of it, and I did a little walkthrough. Anyways, the snow started to clear up here, so she wants to switch her winter tires to summer tires here, because here in Quebec it's mandatory to have winter tires. And yeah, so I'm gonna do a little bit of switch up on her little tire swap. And it's so foggy. Anyways, and we're gonna do some walkthrough with her vehicle, because she wants to get to know what the basic information or basic things to know what to look for in the vehicle. So she wants to keep her car for a long time. Yeah, so if you haven't yet, please subscribe, like and subscribe to this channel. It'll help me out even more. Like and share it to other people like Angele. She wants to learn about anything about vehicle. Sorry, it's getting audio is pretty bad right now because I am on the highway and I'm on the way to see her. So, anyways, I will see you when I get there. Alright, so we made it to Angele. One person just came up to me and asked me, "Ça va bien?" I was like, "Oh man, I said, I don't know how to respond to that. Oui, yes." So that's all I need to know. "Ça va bien" means I'm good, or I'm happy. Yeah, so check out this for you guys. I can't believe she's waking up to this every single day, away from the city. Anyways. Hey everyone. So, pretty much, sorry for not recording the tire swap. So, what I'm doing right now is doing a test drive on Angele's RAV4. She had a bunch of questions that she's not aware about. And I've been telling her to refer to the service manual, which has all the answers. Right now, we're just test driving making sure all the tires are making sure that they are not wobbling, they're pretty balanced, and also have to retorque the lug nuts. Just to make sure they are very secure. So what I did was just basically test driving a vehicle at the same time, explaining Angele what to do, what to look for if there's something unbalanced. So so far what I did with the tire swap, I checked everything: the brakes, the inner tie rod, outer tie rod, ball joint, suspension, and they seem to be perfect condition. For the suspension, I told her that if you see a wet, dry spot, the suspension is broken, it's leaking, so that needs to be replaced. The ball joint, tie rod, you'll hear a thumping, cracking sound. So, yeah, making sure that's not happening. So what I'm doing right now is
making sure the tire pressure is still in good shape, good shape, balance all around. Because her place wasn't unlevel and it was slanted only for like 35 degrees. So I brought my compressor with me and making sure that the tires are up to spec and, to make sure that if you to recheck the PSI on your tires, it says on the door sill on the driver's side, and yeah, just to make sure everything's good and tires are good shape. So what I'm doing right now is retorquing the lug nuts to make sure everything is properly secure. Toyota recommends on it 80 feet torque. So I went all around and retorqued the lug nuts all around just to make sure that the wheel doesn't fall off. A lot of people don't know that, well, a lot of people, mechanics don't tell the customers that they have to drive around 100 kilometers and get a retorque, because what it is, that way the wheel is set properly, and they are just to retorque it, just making sure that they are locked securely. And right now we're looking at the engine. I talked to her about the coolant level, the transmission, the air filter, the oil, the battery, what to do if the car wouldn't start. It deals with one sensor, your mass airflow sensor. And I was telling her that a friend of mine got checked up, and to make sure that she showed her the technician showed her the air filter, and what they did is put it the other way around. Uh, Thus, the sensor got dirty, so it couldn't read how much airflow uh, needs to go into the engine. So if there's any problems with starting, it's the
Hey folks, so we're back again here in my vehicle. So I was dealing with Angele. Yeah, I was looking all over around the car, talking about stuff that she should be aware of about her vehicle. I didn't just talk to her about that. She seemed to be happy about her vehicle choice. Uh, yeah, I told her that basically your car this car is going to run for a good time, for a long time. She As I mentioned about it, she mentioned about the brakes. Told her don't worry about it, it's been sitting for a long time, so it's adding up rust. So it's just the it's cheap rotors what they put. They do anyways, doesn't matter, bro. It's metal always rusts. But yeah, it's overall. I looked at it. It's still in good shape. Nothing is seemed to be a problem with it. It's all original. Never been in an accident as I seen it. Anyways, so yeah, I just want to do a quick update about her vehicle. I like it. Good. Hey folks, so right now, I got a text message from Candy. She wants to go get some dessert, so I'm just waiting here for a while. Just wants to hang out. So I might as well take you with me and not talk about cars for a while. Just waiting for you. So we're just here. Oh, there she is right now. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, we'll see you in a bit. So we are here. He's on the phone right now. Are you on the phone? Oh, yeah, she just got onto a phone call. So we're here now. Want to check it out? I'll show you guys all. We're going to show you guys what it's like. are you getting?